quick video about the one-click download campaign summary. So you need to head over to your reports tab, select an active campaign, and on the bottom right hand side you'll notice the button export. So clicking that will bring up two options. So what you have here is the periodic, which would be a short report about the numbers and the performance, a breakdown by the social media platforms and based on all of your campaigns in the selected date interval. Or you can have the content, which is a detailed campaign summary report showcasing each individual content based on the selected campaigns. Clicking either one of those will then bring up the summary report download box, and clicking OK will then start to download that report. And to access that, all you have to do is click on exported reports, and here you can see all of the current reports that you have ready to download.